How to change name in Facebook Lite? Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to change name on your Facebook Lite applications. Do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Firstly, launch your Facebook Lite app on your device and sign into your account. Tap three-line icon at top right corner to access menu section. Scroll down, select Settings and Privacy. Now tap Settings and choose Remote in Account Center at top of the screen. Choose Profiles at top of the screen and select your Facebook account. Here you can easily change your name, also username as well. So let's tap Name button and here you can select your first name. You can also select your middle name and the surname. After you do that, you need to remember that you can change it again for 60 days. So if you wish to change your name again, you need to wait for the next 60 days and you'll be able to change name in Facebook Lite. After that, tap the review changes at the bottom of the screen and then you can preview your new name and tap on Save Changes at the bottom of the screen. Once you are done with that, your name has successfully updated and changed in Facebook Lite. That's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.